It is a great honor for me to cover this session on the future of generative AI in business. We will soon welcome on stage our speakers. They are leaders within their industries, and they will share their experience with generative AI. So Andrew and Motoo, welcome on stage.
Cancer is an incredibly complex and intelligent disease. While standard treatments can work well for some patients, they can be ineffective or even lethal for others with the same diagnosis. Boston Gene powers healthcare's transition to personalized medicine using artificial intelligence-based molecular and immune profiling to improve the standard of care, accelerate research, and improve economics. As a global diversified conglomerate, NEC plays a pivotal role across different industries, ranging from telecom to healthcare. From drug discovery to financial services, mitigating natural disasters to ensuring children have adequate vaccinations, NEC provides infrastructure that brings people together and improves their lives. Netcracker partners with technology innovators to enable business and technology journeys that will transform telcos into techos. Netcracker solutions leverage artificial intelligence and big data analytics powered by cloud-native software and professional services in every part of the world. With an unbroken delivery record and the largest investment in innovation in the industry, Netcracker is helping our customers accelerate digital growth and profitability.
Hello everyone. I'm Motoo Nishihara. I'm a CTO of NEC. Today we're going to talk about new generative AI technology and how generative AI will make a huge impact in the telecom and the healthcare industries. As you know, generative AI is a once-in-a-generation technology advancement. NEC has long been recognized for its expertise in network and computing and technology. However, we are also a leading player in the AI sector. We have been investing so much in AI research for many years. In fact, as you see, NEC holds the most international patents across 3 major AI areas: biometric authentication, video recognition, and analysis and predictive AI. Last July, NEC introduced a generative AI services called the NEC Cotomi. The unique feature of the NEC Cotomi are its high performance and compact model size. Cotomi offers superior Japanese dialogue comprehension at only 1/13 the size of the other models. We can use this technology for other languages too. Due to its reduced size, Cotomi consumes less power, responds more quickly, and can be deployed even on-site, which means providing enhanced data confidentiality. And to utilize LLM in telecommunication networks, we also need many types of the AI and system technologies. Therefore, the ability to orchestrate a wide range of technology resources is very, very important. NEC is one of the few companies with experience in this kind of context. We call this concept an AI orchestrator. We can handle all required technologies such as AI, security, and computing and networking. As an example of the AI orchestrator concept and the technology, I would like to introduce one use case: the combination of video recognition and the large language models. Let's imagine a network of CCTV cameras covering the entire city. You could simply ask a question such as, show me all traffic accidents and explain how and why each accident happened. The system would analyze all the videos and provide an instant, comprehensive report to you. So NEC actually has already made this prototype. With AI orchestration, AI technology can be applied across a wide range of industries, including manufacturing, construction, aviation, medical. In the future, LLMs will be commonplace. We will see them in a smartphone, in IoT devices, and even in the base stations. By orchestrating various LLMs, telecommunication services will become more and more valuable to society. As I said, NEC released a lightweight LLM named NEC Kotomi a half year ago. Now I want to announce our laboratory has already developed a research prototype, new one, that can run on even smartphones. This is a project thanks to a joint trial with Qualcomm. Let's take a look at the future of AI.
For dinner tonight?
Based on your calendar and the foods you like, Calcuts would be nice. Since you have been at MWC today, you might be tired and want some nutritious food.
That sounds good. Is there anything I have to do in Barcelona?
Don't forget you need to buy gifts for your children. They messaged you 2 days ago and asked you to buy something related to Gaudi.
You're right. Where can I buy that?
You can find those gifts in a shop near your hotel. Here is a map. You could buy them before you leave for the airport tomorrow.
Thanks. I'll get to it.
Personalized AI has even broader benefits. To talk about the personalized AI in healthcare and how service provider will be using generative AI, I turn it over to my colleague, Andrew Feinberg.
Thank you, Nishihara. Thank you for inviting me to join you on stage. I am incredibly privileged to be involved with two companies. One is a telecom operations and business support company. Another one is the personalized cancer diagnostic and treatment company. And you would ask, what do those two companies have in common? The reality is both are AI-driven software companies. I'll come back to this in a minute, but first let me give you some examples of what each of these companies does. I'd like to start by introducing you to Glenn. Glenn is a very real 58-year-old male who lives in New York, who in October of 2020 was diagnosed with small cell lung cancer. What you see behind me is a PET scan. Black spots is cancer. And what you see is a lung cancer that metastasized into liver, kidneys, lymph nodes, and many other organs. As you can see at the line below, Glenn had gone through a number of treatments, very toxic, very potent treatments, but unfortunately, for a year and a half, there was no result. He then joined a clinical trial, which was not successful. At that point, Boston Gene got a very small sample of Glenn's tissue. We examined that tissue through a very sophisticated molecular diagnostic, but then most importantly, we ran out through our AI-driven cloud platform that correlated our findings with everything known to men, petabytes of information of all of the treatments, all of the biological mutations, all of the publications, all of the trials, and we realized that Glenn was in fact a victim of a very, very unique mutation that is almost never seen in lung cancer, but is very tightly associated with a particular therapy. And as you can see, we recommended that therapy to the physician. Glenn went on that therapy, and he had been cancer-free now for years because of that. And he almost certainly would have died had it not been for AI involvement and Boston Gene involvement in his treatment. You see on the right-hand side is a clean PET scan. There is no black. The black that you see out there is his heart. It's okay. A human should have a heart, and that's what it should look like on a PET scan. At Netcracker, while we're not saving lives, we have been working with AI-driven solutions for a very, very long time, long before ChatGPT became so popular. And we are seeing incredible benefits in very real use cases where we're able to derive very tangible, very measurable, very quantifiable KPIs. Primarily, of course, today we focus on sales and sales channels, but we're seeing benefits all the way through operations into network provisioning and disaster recovery. And as you can see, based on a number of very real implementations that we're measuring on a daily basis, we are deriving very significant benefits with great business cases on all layers of operations, from customer journey to network management, with both cost savings, efficiencies, as well as more and more revenue upsides by bringing different products, by selling more efficiently, and of course by targeting more channels. This is the power of AI. But what's really important, this is a power of AI that lives on top of very sophisticated digital platforms that truly understand where the data is, how the data is structured, that truly understand the business and customer profiles of each infrastructure, and are deployed in very secure and very sustainable manner. This is digital transformation. This is the benefit that we derived having gone through digital transformation. Then we are able to enable our customers to deploy these cognitive solutions to bring to life those benefits that range from significant, quantitatively measurable returns to, in some cases, as you saw, life-saving opportunities. So my parting thoughts to you is that while AI is remarkably powerful, and there's no doubt that it's going to change the world, and it is changing the world, as you see, as we speak, but AI by itself is not a silver bullet. There is no magic pill. We're still driving digital transformation. We're still understanding how to deploy it in a sustainable and secure manner. And those who are able to do this are evolving as winners and becoming incredibly successful. Thank you.
Thank you.